All right, 30 Wagon Master here with another unboxing. So just went to the P.O. box and yeah, got a little something in the mail here from the #1 most famous DD21, aka Dirty Diaper. Anyway, he made it out to the YouTube King, aka UDX390 Mike at P.O. Box 9223, Salt Lake City, Utah 4109. And I gotta tell you, I'm honestly kind of afraid to open this because he set me up last time. So, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna need a little pair of scissors here. Let me see if I can find a little pair of scissors. There we go. All right. This is what I use to trim my nails with. All right. Shit. All right. Okay, so I'm not going to fall for the rattlesnake eggs thing, all right? That's just not going to happen. Oh, shit. Merry Christmas from UDX21, aka Dirty Diaper. No weed in there. All right. Ah, crap. Well, all right. Let's see what else we have here. Okay. Let's see here. That says it's a 4-leaf clover for good luck. And who did he steal this from? I see writing on the bottom. I'm not really sure. Something. Is that candy? Can I break that up and smoke that? I don't know. Okay, for good luck. From China. Nice. Oh, dude, that's cool. Old radio night. Damn, Diaper, you're getting uglier every year. Good Lord. Don't tell me that's a photo of you. I like that, though. That's pretty cool. That's tough. That's gnarly. I'll hold it up to the light. I think that's a Claire decal. Decals are cool. I'll put that with my other decals. Okay, here we go. Just shut up and do it. Getting the fingernail clippers out. I was going to use my rife knife, but it's out in the garage. It's too dang cold out there, man. So we'll have to replace the rife knife with my fingernail clippers. Can you see me shaking on camera? Alright, I don't know how to do because I have a feeling he's going to get me again. Oh, man. Okay, if I get electrocuted or something happens, call Rampart. Call Rescue 51. Oh man. You know, I think I gotta go. I hear my dog barking. Merry Christmas from UDX21. Alright, so he said, okay. So I don't know. So this is kind of satanic, demonic, cool and creepy, scaring the shit out of me right there. Then he sends me a good luck charm. And it's written, and it says danger. Oh, Christ. Oh, man. What do I do with this, boys? Oh, my God. All right. Let's see. What the hell is this? No way. No way. That is hilarious. Oh my God. All right, so as you guys know, the running thing is here on my unboxings is I always use blue tape, right? To hide addresses. I wish people would do that. Wait a minute. All right, so, okay, so let's see. I threw that away, so here's the deal. Right? I use blue tape to blank out addresses. So on my last unboxing, I was out of blue tape and I had to use electric tape, and it looked tacky. So he sent me a roll of tape. However, a used roll of tape. Seriously, that is actually pretty classy, dude. Thank you. Central Ohio UFO Reporting Center. Oh, those are cool. Where did you get those from? What else do we have here? Let's see here. Central Ohio UFO Reporting Center. William Haddix, Chief I don't know who this is. Dude, flying saucers are real. Too many good men have seen them that don't have hallucinations. Captain Edward Eddie Rickenbacker. That sounds familiar. That's cool. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thanks for a used roll of tape. So I'm going to actually mark this so I don't lose this. This is for official CB use only. Where's my marker here? Of course I can't find it. Okay. Official use only. How about that? Let's see here. For YouTube only. How about that? Well, I'll tell you what, man. That's going to get me through a lot of unboxings. Oh, yeah. All right. Merry Christmas, Dirty Diaper. Thank you very much. Okay. However, I'm not letting my guard down. Anyway, thank you. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas to everybody out there. Cheers and beers.